Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and today we are going to be installing some Acura accessories on the 2024 Integra Type S. And if you guys have been watching the channel or trying to keep up to date, or if you're new to the channel, this is actually my dad's car. He picked one of these up. I still do have my FK, my Honda Civic Type R as well, so my dad also picked up an Integra Type S, and we got a bunch of stuff planned, as you guys can see of the video of the title. Guys, so this is my dad and his 2024 Integra Type S, and he's gonna talk to you guys about some of the stuff. We also got a bonus. I forgot all about this new accessory that we have for the car as well, but you want to talk about it?
All right, guys. Well, first thing, we got the Sunshade, which says Acura in there, which fits pretty good. It blocks out the sun and it keep a lot of the heat out and everything.
Yeah, you was like, yeah, I gotta get a sunshade. It's too hot.
As you can see where the car is parked right now, the sun is just blasting right there, which I'm trying to protect the dashboard and everything. But it's a really nice sunshade. I mean, costs a little. I think it's a little too much for for a sunshade, but it's real nice. It comes with a case and everything, like a leather. It looks like leather and everything. But
yeah, so right now he has this set up so you guys can see. It's basically folds, and then basically you unfold it and just tuck it through on top of the dash, and then basically the sun visors in the car just holds it up.
Yep.
So when you come inside the car, you guys can see it's just you fold these down and it comes in the car. So he's gonna take it out right now to show you guys, and it has like a warning: do not operate vehicle with sunshades installed. It's pretty nice. So he's gonna take it down for you guys right now so we can get a little bit of lighting so you guys can see some of the stuff we're gonna be installing. You been using it at work too?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, with this car park up all day in the sun. I gotta try to keep some of this heat out.
Oh, because you just pull it up.
Yeah. You just pull it out and it folds up. You're struggling right now. It just folds up like that.
Okay, and then do you put it in a bag? It comes with a bag too.
It comes with a bag.
So maybe you're getting your money's worth a little bit.
Yeah, it make out of a light leather.
And you just slide it in there and then put it on the back seat?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, so it is a little bit convenient.
I mean, it's nice though. I mean, it keeps a lot of heat out, because I noticed when I get in the car, it's a little bit cooler than what it was without,
before.
Without it, you know.
Yeah.
Well,
nice.
There we go.
And then you can just throw it in the back seat.
Just throw it in the back seat.
And then start driving. Okay, that's pretty convenient. Yeah.
Oh yeah. We got some other stuff here.
Yep.
Which I think the car should have come with when you bought it. I mean, that you spend so much money for it.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Got the red interior too. We're gonna be showing the upgraded mats here. So I also got the part number right here. So if you guys are interested in that sunshade, this is the part number right here. I'm also gonna put it down in the description, so if you guys are interested in getting the sunshade. And then we have the mats here. These are the new upgraded mats. The car does come with mats, and he's probably gonna show you the old mats, but this is the part number for the new mats right here. So if you guys want to take a screenshot of that and check it out, but we're gonna show you guys here right now. But you want to take out the old mats, which you're like, man, Acura, they should have came with the car.
Yep. They should have come with the car.
But to take them out, what do you have to do?
Alright, to take them out, all you got to do is just turn these little clips right there, and it pops right out. And it pops right out.
And this is the mat that it comes with?
This is what they give you
from the factory, and you got to upgrade for it? It's even like peeling on the sides. All the money you pay for.
Yep, this is what they give you.
This is what they give you. Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, and it says, I believe, Integra on the back right there.
Yep.
Yeah, so this is what it comes with. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the new ones for you guys right now. Nice. Oh man, the qualities on these, even the carpet is like darker.
Oh yeah.
You can see the comparison. I definitely gotta.
These things are much nicer. They're even softer.
Oh, even softer.
Yeah,
I don't know if you guys can see it in the light, but it's a lot darker on this one. This more is like a grayish.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is a lot more softer. This is more like rugged. This is a lot more softer. So dang. And then the edge is like a, what is that? Kind of like a suede or.
Yeah, feels not. I mean,
the ends are definitely different.
Some kind of waterproof.
Dang, yeah. And then they got the red stitching on it, and then they also got the Type S logo, and also is gonna, the silver one's gonna match the interior with the silver steering wheel logo as well. So that'll be a nice touch. Yeah. Right. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that in the car and see how it spices up the interior. Oh, man, even in the sun.
This thing is plush feeler.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's so soft. This thing is soft. You know.
Yeah,
what I mean?
they gave us the bootleg version.
Oh, yeah.
Dang. That's definitely a nice upgrade. So he's gonna do it the same way. Put the mats in, line it up with the holes, and then he's going to, and then all you have to do is what? Twist them?
Twist them. And then,
oh, you already twist them?
Yep.
Yep. You just twist those knobs and it locks in place. And they have like a sticky thing on the other side so it can stick, or it just sticks to the carpet?
No, it doesn't have a
sticky thing. It's just.
It doesn't have anything like a Velcro.
Oh, okay. It just holds this in place really nice.
It doesn't move.
Wow, so that's how it looks, guys. Very clean. It says Type S right there. Matches the red interior, as you guys can see. Definitely a nice touch for sure. That looks sick. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the other ones in.
Yeah, this is the passenger side.
Yeah, that looks clean.
That's the passenger.
Wow, that's definitely a nice, neat upgrade.
Oh yeah.
They come up with all different type of accessories that should have came with the car from the factory. Yeah, this thing looks cheap. What's this? This in the car? This thing looks like really cheap. Wow.
Yep.
But now also have the same Type S badge with the red around it. Looks very nice. Wow, that looks really good. That matches everything. Really nice. That looks good. And then we also got some for the rear too.
Yeah, we also got the rear ones.
Dang, to match along. That looks nice.
Yep.
Very clean.
Yep.
He got his sun visors back here, and he's gonna put the new ones in.
Well, it seems like when they fit they don't move though. It's like they have like they feel kind of sticky at the bottom.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
That's how I felt when I took the other one
like
out.
you have a
something that sticks in the back of it.
Yeah, that holds
it in place.
Holds it in place. Yeah, it sure does. Alright, the cheap stuff is out.
Yeah, my dad was stating that the mats are cut for each corner, so just keep that in mind, guys, when installing these. So definitely, it looks nice.
Looks real nice.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
Looks so much beautiful. Beautiful.
Yep. Matches the red perfectly too on the seats.
Yep.
Yeah, that looks good. You got the sun visor just chilling back there. That's nice. And you can put it on the ground if you want to as well. There's plenty of space. So that's one new little accessory touch down for the Integra Type S. Alright guys, so we have my dad here today, guys, and as you guys can see, we got a lot of boxes sitting over here, and you guys, the process has finally started. So you want to tell them about what we have going on?
Well, today the day we're gonna go full bolt on. As you can see, we got a lot of goodies here. A lot of work needs to be done. We're gonna try and get all of this stuff on good in the car. We got intake, we got PRL intake, we got a bunch of stuff. Man, this ain't even half of it here yet.
Yeah,
we still got more stuff inside.
So we got a lot of surprises and goodies, especially in these upcoming videos that I'm gonna be dropping here. So yeah guys, we're gonna be going full bolt on, and I got to share this experience with my dad and show you guys the process. And of course the best part too is what you were saying, like the best miles per gallon getting is what, 25, so you get more power and you're gonna even get way better gas mileage. So that's another dope part about going full bolt on. You get the power and you get better gas mileage, so that's pretty dope. So